So Meta just released new video editing app that is called Edits. It is aimed to compete with CapCut and TikTok. So let's see what we have here. First, what you need to do is to install the app, go to your Play Store or iOS store and search for Edits. There you will see the app from kind of in colors of Instagram. So click on that, install it, then open it. Let's see what we have here. So the environment kind of looks different than in CapCut. Let's say larger buttons. Let's see what we have. On the left side, several stickers, ideas where we can bookmark our different stuff. Fine. Then this play button. Okay. This is kind of inspiration. So you can use videos from Instagram already and then use audio or create some of the, write down idea. So this is to give you inspiration. See? But when you click on that, I would think that I could kind of play around with that video. No, I can only use audio, and then you can then create video from that. So not very interesting, I would say. Okay, then I can write down, okay, this is good. Okay, so now you see you have that video as an idea and your comment, this is good. Fine. Okay, let's go to the major things here. Let's go to the editing. Standard things, go to plus sign, add something from your gallery, either video, audio, images, whatever you like. Here I have a couple of videos already. I'll click on one of them. Let's see what we have. So yeah, the environment looks very similar as it does in CapCut. Here we have a main part of the video. Then we can have different things. I will go through all of them to see what is the difference between CapCut. I would say at first that CapCut has many different features, but let's see. For example, we have this video.
So, one night I took home some girl, turned out to be a lady boy.
Great. Okay, so what we want to do, first try out auto captions. This is the very powerful feature in CapCut, and we need to have captions if we would like to create videos for Instagram, etc. Let's click on captions, generating captions. Okay, so it managed to create captions in a matter of seconds, and then we have them. We can then double click on those captions, pick a different style, let's say this one, then pick different fonts, let's say directional, colors, of course, and then different styles. Let's use this style. Let's put it down here, very similar as it is in CapCut. However, much less features.
I got in my head what I really wanted.
Nice. So the captions work? Fine. Okay. Let's see several other things. Let's open another video, which would be better for the effects and other things. Let's open this video here. Okay. If I click here in CapCut, normally I can stretch my fingers and then align the video with the dimensions I would like to have. Here I cannot. What I can do is go here, click on the video, then on the crop, and then we can crop the video as we like. So let's say, okay, like this. We have a gymnast here. Fine. Let's say that this is okay. Let's see the video. Yeah, it's lagging very much. Okay, so at first it lagged so much I needed to reopen the app. Okay, now we have the video, and let's start from the beginning. Let's see what we have, for example. In audio, we can add different things, different songs. This is a good part because this is connected to the Instagram and you have all of the same songs that you can find there. Let's say this one, Beautiful Day, Euphoria. Fine. Done. Now we have a song. Okay, for the text part, several different texts. Of course, very similar to the CapCut. I will not bother you with that. Voice, you can do voiceovers. Captions, we already went through that. Overlay, let's see sound effects. Okay, standardly. Let's see some more. Laugh. Okay, those are more. I would say we have more of those in the CapCut. We can do cutout, the standard things. Let's see how many stickers do we have. It seems like those are all stickers, so maybe 20, 30 stickers. not a lot. Seems like this is still in development. It was just released, I think, yesterday. Let's then click on the video. We can split video, of course, the most important feature when doing editing. Click on split, and then we have two parts of the video. Volume, speed, let's split here, then speed this up. Okay, 6 times. Let's see the video now. Okay, I'm not following the gymnast. Nevertheless, speeding this up, fine. Okay, what else do we have? Green screen, fine. Then we can do some adjustments, of course. Brightness, contrast, saturation, temperature, fade, vignette, highlights, all of the standard things. Let's see how many filters do we have in this app. Not too many, so I would say maybe 20 filters. Let's create or use this one. Fine. It does work relatively fast without with some glitches. Okay, let's check effects. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, around 15, 20 effects also. Then we can extract audio, crop. As I mentioned, let's uncrop this video. Okay, let's put it like that. Replace, slip, duplicate. So those are all of the functions that you have in this video editor. Let me play. Okay, so we see the lagging once again. Let me again reopen the project. And you see, now it works. So yeah, the tool has good potential. It's still young. Many things do work very fast. It is smooth, but it's not near as good as CapCut yet. Of course, Meta Team will improve and it will get better and better, but it's not yet on the category of the CapCut. So yeah, that's my verdict. CapCut is still much better. The only better thing, of course, here is that this app does not require you to subscribe to the Pro and does not have a watermark. Of course, we all know CapCut also had that function. You did not have to pay and everything was free before you needed to upgrade to the newer version. Probably something similar will happen with this one. Yeah, CapCut wins. So that's it. Leaving you with the gymnast. Have a great day. Bye-bye.